Are they biting, Hamburglar?
They're biting everything but the hook. Hey, hold on. I think I got a hook.
Tornado emergency for Minden. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Harrison County, central Shelby County in southwestern Iowa until 6:45 p.m. At 5:46 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located near Minden, or 14 miles southwest of Harlan, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Minden. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards include an extremely dangerous end. Source: weather spotters confirmed a large tornado near Minden. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Shelby around 5:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Harlan, Irwin, and Defiance. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Harrison and Shelby.
Bet they're really taking a beating. Can I peek? Can I? Can I? Can I? Can I? Can I? Can I?